Buttertalk is going viral in Korea, but most versions don't get it right. Recently, someone shared their recipe with me. I improved it, and this is how you make it bakery level. We will be creating both a basic and a matcha version. Start by whisking an egg until the white and yolk is fully incorporated. Next, add 75 grams of sugar and whisk until the mixture becomes smooth. Whisk gently here, you don't want to incorporate too much air or the texture won't be as soft and chewy. Add 35 grams of condensed milk and 1 pinch of salt. And then once again, whisk it gently. Condensed milk is sometimes left out in some recipes, but it is important. It keeps the tteok moist and gives it that soft, chewy texture. Heat up 150 milliliters of milk for 20 seconds and 65 grams of butter for 30 seconds in the microwave. Pour in 50 milliliters of milk into the egg mixture and whisk. Alternatively, you can use coconut milk. It gives a better finish, but the texture will be slightly less chewy. Next, mix together 100 grams of glutinous rice flour with 50 grams of tapioca starch. Sieve the flour to remove any lumps. This gives you a smoother batter and a more consistent final texture. After sieving, give it a gentle stir, then add the remaining milk and whisk until smooth and fully incorporated. If you are making the matcha version, add 5 grams of matcha powder at this point. Otherwise, skip this and move straight on to the butter. Whisk until the batter turns green. If your matcha is a bit clumpy, sift it beforehand to keep the texture smooth. For both versions of the buttertalk, add in the 65 grams of melted butter and whisk. The matcha batter will have to be whisked a bit more. Don't use a madeleine tray, use a muffin tray instead, as it holds more batter, giving a thicker and chewier center. Before pouring in the batter, coat the tray with butter to allow the tteoks to rise easily and not stick. When pouring the batter in, only pour up to 3/4 of the height of the mold. Finally, bake the buttertalks in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Note that everyone's oven is different, so adjust timing and temperature accordingly. Once they have finished baking, take it out and let it cool a little before serving. It is very chewy. There is sort of 3 different textures going on. The sides are crispy, the top layer has a slightly hardened crust, and as I bite slowly into the middle, the chewiness intensifies. It is fun to eat with quite a good flavor. I prefer the matcha version, but honestly I think the viral craze is overhyped.